Hey guys, this is Aaliyah. I am coming at you with a hair, not really review, but I'm coming at you because I got some new hair. I got some Ocean, Bobbi Boss Ocean Wave Indi Remi here. Well, number one, let me say that I'm sorry you guys wasn't able to do hair tutorial, hair review on how I put the wig on my hair because the wig that I have on now is Izzie. I'm sorry I wasn't able to do a video. I've been really busy with school and everything, but I'll promise to get you a hair review on how I put on my wigs. Actually, the wig that I had on Yasmin, only had her on for like a week. So I'll probably put her on again sometime later on, maybe after I take out the ocean wave hair that I'm gonna put in later on, or sometime. But I'll definitely show you guys how I put on my wigs. But let me get back to the hair. I got the ocean wave Indi Remi hair. I got it in a 14 and a 12 because I like my hair not that long but not that short. Like, I think the shortest I will ever go would be like a 10 or a 12. Probably be the shortest I would ever go. The longest I probably will ever go would be like a 16, depending on, what most of them be doing with their hair. Like, if I'm mostly gonna have it curly, I might go even longer to like an 18 or 20, maybe. I don't think I'll ever get 20 unless it's a real special occasion where I need to get that long of a hair if I'm gonna be doing, curls, something like that. But other than that, it's too long for me. So I got a 14 and a 12. I will show you guys, like the packaging and everything, how I got it. I've heard some good reviews on the hair, so I decided to try it. It's supposed to be like the best quality, beauty supply store hair, quality hair. So, I was like, okay, I'm gonna take a chance and get it. I like the way it looked on the people that I saw the, YouTube videos from. I'll probably put their channel, their YouTube channel at the bottom of the taskbar just to, lead you to the people's reviews that I saw about the hair. Oh, first let me show you. It came in a little cute little bag, little thing when I brought it. Bobbi Boss. It came in that cute little thing when I got it, and this is the 12. Oh, and I got it in number 2. The half wigs that I've got, the half wigs I've gotten, I get them in a 1B. Because I normally got my weaves in a 1B. But I've noticed since I'm leaving out some of my hair, because normally I've never really leaved out my hair because, I don't know, just didn't want to when I was going down all the time. Like, I didn't have a perm or anything, so I didn't want my hair out. But now, since I have a little perm, but it's only in the front, because that's the hair I was had it out. But, since I have, like, my hair out in the front, my hair is a bit lighter than a 1B. So I decided to get it too. And the 1B is a bit darker than my hair. So I decided to get it too. The next time I got the hair, the 2 is a bit lighter than my hair. But I think I'm just gonna get a rinse. It's in like a temporary dye, like one shade lighter than my hair, just for the time that I have it in, so it could blend easier. But I'm gonna show you the hair. This is what it came in. Cute packaging. I'll take it out for you and show you how it looks. this little thing well, this actually came in the bag when I got it. It has about Indi Remi premium version here. And inside is like, I guess the different kinds of hair that they have. This one is the hair that I got the ocean one, but it's gonna look different than how the girl has it. On this side is the fine silky Remi, and then inside has this thing. I guess this they're showing you the hair, the weft, and the hair follicle. Okay. And then I like this Soul Wave Remi, how it looks. It looks really, really nice on her. I don't know, I might try it, I might not, depends, but I really, really like that one. But yeah, this is what this little thing that came in the bag for the stuff. But anyway, let me get back to it. This is it. And this is the hair, the nice wave pattern of the hair. I like it, it's cute. I'm gonna get this sewing. I'm gonna get it sewing with this. I want this to be like my summer style. So I'm gonna try to see how long I can make it last, because I'm planning on putting it in sometime this weekend for Easter, next weekend, and everything. And I plan on having it in for some time, not a long time, but I'm gonna see how it works. I plan on having it in my hair until about maybe like July, maybe August, depending on how well it can. Because I know people who left this in for like 3 months, so I'll see how it holds up and how I like it. This is actually the most expensive hair that I've brought. I've never, spent over $100 for hair. So this is kind of the most expensive hair that I brought, but I heard it's good, and hopefully it's worth the money that I paid for it. And I'm gonna do this well, I'm not me per se, but I'm gonna go to hair salon and have my cousin do a sewing with the hair. I will come back to you with a video about after I get it done. I don't know if I'm gonna do it the day of, but I'll probably definitely do it 2 or 3 days after I have it in. But I will definitely get back to you guys with a hair review on the Bobbi Boss hair when I put it in. I'm kind of excited to get it. Can't wait to put it in my hair to see how it really is. And then I will also give have other hair reviews up, like of how it goes along. I'll probably put up like maybe like 2 reviews on the hair, and then another one right before I take it out, like my last review on the hair, the pros and cons, how I like it, and everything, and if I'll buy it again, like everything. Other than that, that's about it. I'm sorry I kind of like look a mess. I look tired because I am. With college is fun, but it's also the most stressful part. It really is. Work. Study. Other than that, that's about it. And my hair now is the Izzie. I'm sorry I couldn't get a review up, but trust me, I will. I will get a review up on how I put my wigs on. Maybe when I buy another one, I might buy another one, or I might just, if the Yasmin that I have, I'll probably wash her to get back the wave a little bit. But the wave cap really did keep, to get back the wave a little bit, and then do a review on, and do it, how I put it on. But other than that, that's about it. I will come back to you guys soon. Have any questions, any comments, anything, feel free to um, comment, ask any questions that you may have. But other than that, I'll see you guys later. Bye.